Welcome back to our channel. You're in the right place if you're passionate about vocational education. In this session, we're diving into an essential topic: the skills needed to be an effective technical, vocational education and training consultant. In today's rapidly changing job market, technical, vocational education and training are becoming more critical than ever. Vocational education equips individuals with practical skills directly aligned with industry needs, making it a key driver of economic growth and workforce development. Technical, vocational education and training consultants are pivotal in bridging the gap between education and employment, ensuring that training programs stay relevant and effective. In this session, based on my experience, we'll explore what it takes to excel as an international consultant, the essential skills required, and how these professionals shape the future of vocational education. If you find this topic interesting, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to avoid missing any of our future videos. It also helps me to grow the channel and our community, and I greatly appreciate your time. Also, please make any comments or recommend any future topics for us to explore. Let's delve into the technical, vocational education and training consultant role. A consultant is a specialist who provides expert advice and support to educational institutions, governments, and industry bodies to enhance vocational education and training systems and projects. Their goal is to align vocational education initiatives with labor market needs, ensuring that students acquire the skills necessary for today's and tomorrow's job markets. In the world of technical, vocational education and training, consultants wear many hats. They conduct comprehensive labor market analyses, develop curricula, create assessment methodologies, and establish quality assurance frameworks, to name just a few. Their work is essential for making vocational projects and reforms relevant and effective. The impact of consultants on education systems and workforce development is profound. They help create robust systems that produce a skilled workforce that drives economic growth and innovation. Technical, vocational education and training consultants support the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs. By aligning vocational programs with industry standards and technological advancements, consultants help bridge the skills gap, providing learners with relevant, employable skills. This alignment boosts employability and supports sustainable development and economic resilience. Consultants contribute equally to reducing poverty by focusing on international projects and promoting inclusive and equitable education. They empower youth, enhance gender equality, and support economic growth, all key components of the SDGs. Through strategic planning and collaboration, they ensure that vocational training programs are effective and sustainable, ultimately fostering a skilled and resilient global workforce. Let's explore the essential skills needed to excel as a technical, vocational education and training consultant. First and foremost, analytical skills are crucial. Consultants must be adept at conducting thorough needs analyses and labor market assessments. This involves gathering and interpreting data to understand the current and future demands of the workforce. Understanding a country's labor market is crucial for identifying skills gaps within specific regions or industries. This insight is essential for developing occupational standards, qualifications and curricula that are both relevant and effective. It involves conducting comprehensive regional and international benchmarking analyses to compare and align project outcomes with global standards and best practices. This ensures that the vocational system or reforms are contextualized to local needs while being comparable internationally. Grasping the socio-economic drivers that influence vocational reforms is another key skill. Consultants must be able to contextualize their approaches to the unique needs of each country. What works in one country may not work in another. Many international consultants bring their own country's knowledge and systems to projects, often with the mindset that if it works at home, it will work elsewhere. This perception is harmful and can impede a project's successful implementation. While having in-depth knowledge and experience of a specific system is valuable, it is crucial to understand the fundamental socio-economic drivers of the country you are working in. This understanding helps tailor education and industry needs to the local context, ensuring the success and relevance of vocational programs. An effective consultant must have strong stakeholder engagement skills. This involves collaborating with various stakeholders, including government bodies, educational institutions, industry leaders and other donors. Building robust relationships ensures that vocational projects align with national educational goals and labor market needs. Additionally, the ability to design and implement quality assurance processes, including robust monitoring and evaluation frameworks, is vital. This ensures that vocational education project outcomes and activities are consistently monitored and that remedial actions can be implemented when necessary. Equally important is maintaining a transparent and effective partnership with the client. In my experience with international projects, developing partnerships is essential for successfully implementing vocational initiatives. Taking stakeholders on the journey with you is critical, and keeping them involved at every step ensures collective ownership and commitment to the project's long-term sustainable success. Let's explore my view on the importance of fresh perspectives and innovation in technical, vocational education and training consultancy. The world of work is changing rapidly, driven by technological advancements, shifting economic paradigms, and evolving societal needs. The vocational training sector must continually adapt and innovate to keep pace with these changes. Fresh perspectives are crucial in addressing the unique challenges faced by modern vocational training systems. Younger consultants and new entrants to the field bring with them an openness to new ideas and approaches. They are often more attuned to the latest technological trends and can bring innovative solutions to the table. For instance, integrating digital tools and platforms into technical, vocational education and training can enhance learning experiences and make education more accessible. Innovation isn't just about technology. It involves rethinking pedagogical approaches and developing new curricula aligned with the skills demands of the modern labor market. Infusing new talent can lead to more flexible and responsive vocational programs catering to the diverse needs of learners and employers. This includes competency-based education, personalized learning paths, and closer integration with industry partners to ensure that vocational initiatives directly relate to employment opportunities. A more diverse pool of consultants is much needed on the international scene, as this brings a richer variety of experiences and viewpoints, leading to more holistic and inclusive solutions. Diversity in consultancy teams can help understand and address the different socio-economic and cultural contexts within the field of technical, vocational education and training. This is particularly important in international settings where one-size-fits-all solutions are rarely effective. Consultants with diverse perspectives can help tailor vocational solutions to meet local needs more effectively, ensuring improved sustainable project outcomes. Innovation and fresh perspectives are beneficial and essential for evolving vocational systems. By embracing these qualities, we can ensure that technical, vocational education and training remain relevant, effective, and capable of meeting the organic needs of the labor market. This, in turn, supports the Sustainable Development Goals, such as reducing poverty, promoting gender equality, and ensuring inclusive and equitable quality education for all. So what are the qualifications and pathways to becoming a technical, vocational education and training consultant? Becoming an effective consultant involves a blend of academic qualifications, practical experience, and a deep understanding of the vocational education landscape. A strong educational foundation is crucial for aspiring consultants. Typically, a master's degree is considered a preferable qualification. These advanced degrees demonstrate a deep commitment to the field and provide the advanced knowledge and research skills necessary to tackle complex issues and challenges. For instance, I hold multiple master's degrees in economics, lifelong learning and professional development, and a postgraduate certificate in coaching and change management, which have equipped me with a broad and diverse skill set. However, academic qualifications alone are not enough. An in-depth understanding of human capital development, employer skills needs, and the economic makeup of the country you are working in is essential. Gaining practical experience is equally important. Many aspiring consultants start by participating in internships, attending industry conferences, and engaging in professional organizations. Networking and building relationships within the technical, vocational education and training community can open doors to opportunities and provide valuable insights and guidance. Mentorship from experienced consultants can also be invaluable. Learning from those who have navigated the challenges and successes of consultancy work can provide practical knowledge and help shape your approach to the field. Persistence, networking, and a proactive approach to professional development are key to breaking into this rewarding field. Now, let us discuss the challenges and opportunities in the technical, vocational education, and training consultancy field. Like any profession, being a consultant comes with a unique set of hurdles and prospects for growth. One of the significant challenges in consultancy is adapting to diverse socio-economic contexts. Each country has distinctive economic drivers, cultural norms, and educational needs. What works in one region might not be applicable in another. This requires consultants to be highly adaptable and culturally sensitive, tailoring their approaches to fit local conditions. Another challenge is keeping up with the rapid pace of technological advancements. As industries evolve, so must the vocational solutions to prepare individuals for the workforce. This means constantly updating curricula, incorporating new technologies, and ensuring educators and students are proficient in using these tools. For instance, integrating AI and digital platforms into the vocational sector can enhance learning experiences but requires significant investment and training. Despite these challenges, there are numerous opportunities in the field. The growing recognition of technical, vocational education and training as critical components of economic development opens doors for consultants to make significant impacts. Governments and organizations worldwide are increasingly investing in vocational reforms to address unemployment and skills shortages, particularly among youth. One of the most rewarding opportunities is the development of public-private partnerships. These collaborations can enhance the relevance and quality of vocational training programs, ensuring that they meet the economy's and society's needs. By bringing together the strengths of both sectors, consultants can drive innovation and ensure the sustainability of their initiatives. Finally, the field offers the opportunity for personal and professional growth. Working in diverse international settings, dealing with complex challenges, and making tangible impacts on communities provide a fulfilling and enriching career path. The field of consultancy is filled with both challenges and opportunities. By staying adaptable, embracing innovation, and fostering strong partnerships, consultants can overcome these hurdles and have a positive impact on vocational education and training systems. As we wrap up this session, we've covered the essential skills for a technical vocational education and training consultant, touched on the importance of fresh perspectives and innovation, and discussed the qualifications and pathways to enter this rewarding field. We've also examined the challenges and opportunities that make consultancy a dynamic and impactful profession. Being a consultant in this field means playing a crucial role in shaping the future of vocational education. It's about ensuring that training programs meet the evolving needs of the labor market, promoting sustainable development, and positively impacting communities worldwide. Thank you for joining us in exploring the essential skills for a technical vocational education and training consultant. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this content, please give us a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. I am committed to bringing you more insights from the vocational education and training world. Also, check out our website and blog titled, The Role of a Consultant, The Need for Fresh Blood, and our occupation profile and national occupation standard units for a technical, vocational education and training consultant, as this will provide you with some in-depth knowledge and skills required to be successful in this role. The links are in the description below. Together, we can shape the future of vocational education and make a lasting impact. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next session.